In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see followers on Substack. If you're building a newsletter or simply getting to know your audience better, being able to quickly find your followers is essential. I'll walk you through the exact place to click, explain what you'll see, and share a few helpful notes so everything feels clear and straightforward. First, make sure you're on Substack and signed into your account. You'll get the best experience on a desktop browser, but the flow is similar on mobile. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile avatar or initials. That's where Substack tucks away your account controls and audience tools. Click on Profile. This takes you to your personal or publication profile area, which is essentially your home base for managing your presence on Substack. From here, you'll find options related to your posts, settings, and your audience. If you don't immediately recognize the page, don't worry. You're in the right spot as long as you can see your profile details and navigation related to your publication. Now, look for the button or link labeled See Subscribers and click it. This opens your audience list. Substack often uses the term subscribers, and this view typically includes everyone connected to your publication. Paid subscribers, free subscribers, and in many cases, people who follow your work without opting into emails. If you came here looking for followers, this is the place where Substack groups that audience, even if the label says subscribers. Once the list opens, you'll see your audience at a glance. You can usually spot whether someone is on a free or paid plan, when they joined, and how your total audience is shaping up. Use this information to understand engagement and support levels and to get a sense of momentum over time. It's a simple, centralized view that helps you make thoughtful decisions about what to publish next. If you don't see the See Subscribers option, double check that you're viewing your own profile and that you're signed in to the correct account. Interface labels can shift slightly as Substack updates the platform, but the audience list remains accessible from your profile area. And a quick reminder, treat the information you see with care and respect your readers' privacy. That's all there is to it. Click on Profile, then click on See Subscribers, and you've reached your follower and subscriber list. Check back regularly to stay in tune with your audience and use what you learn to create content that truly resonates.